Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Data Version. So here we have a job notification of business analyst from the company TATA 1MG Excel. So before we discuss regarding the job profile and roles and responsibility, let's first know about the TATA 1MG. So it is a subsidiary of Tata company and serves as a healthcare platform. It provides numerous services in the field of pharmacy, diagnostics, consult, and offline services. So the company is looking for a business analyst who is having 2+ year of experience. Like if you are fall under 1 to 2 year of experience, you can apply for that. You should have a strong experience and hold in the SQL and reading and writing complex queries. You have to do data manipulation using SQL. You must have experience in performing RCA, that means root cause analysis, using data tools. You should have fluency in Excel, Google Sheet, and Python. Now, the role that you will be perform. First, financial reporting. So you should be comfortable in working with the financial reporting. It involves big data, large amount of data sets you will be working on. You must have to understand the business problem and provide solution for that. In the terms of a different visualization tool, machine learning, statics modeling, etc. You will be working on the data transformation, performing end-to-end data validation, dealing with the stakeholders, owning governance of BI system, and the maintenance of the different dashboards. So location will be Gurgaon and compensation may range up from 6 to 15 LPA. Thanks for watching this video.